Manage your diabetes better by applying these suggestions. Are you living with diabetes? Diabetes does not have to be the debilitating disease that some make it out to be. You can have a normal life and have diabetes at the same time. Follow our tips on how to make the most out of your life with diabetes. If you need to sweeten your tea or coffee, but you have diabetes, try using more natural sweeteners like honey or a sweetener and sugar substitute. These sweetener and sugar substitute can be found at many grocery stores today and as a plant extract, which is very sweet. It can even be found in a powdered form which mimics real sugar. A great breakfast food for a diabetic is grapefruit. It's been known to assist people with weight loss even when they do nothing else. Be careful that you aren't on any pills, like atorvastatin for cholesterol, that have adverse reactions when you ingest grapefruit. It can actually increase their potency and potentially lead to an overdose. If you have been diagnosed with diabetes, I am sure you know how to check your blood sugar. You should check it before meals and at bedtime. This ensures that if there is a sudden change in your blood sugar levels, you know in advance to address the situation in a timely fashion lest an emergency arise. If you have diabetes, it is important that you take care of your feet. Simple cuts can turn into infections for diabetics, which in turn can cause serious health problems, such as gangrene and even amputation. Check your feet daily, and if you notice any cuts or other irregularities, see your doctor. Paper and pen are your greatest weapons in defeating diabetes. You should keep track of your exercise via a log, a diet diary to see what causes you blood glucose spikes, blood pressure log, blood sugar watching log, and when you take your medications and how much you have taken. If you have diabetes, beware of certain diabetes supplements. People think these supplements will help control their diabetes symptoms when some of them can actually raise blood glucose or insulin levels. A good rule of thumb to follow when you have diabetes is to not take anything unless your doctor has approved it. To make sure the carbohydrates you consume don't cause an issue for your body, eat them alongside protein. Protein will make sure your body absorbs the carbohydrates you eat slowly, which will help prevent dramatic changes to your blood sugar levels. Protein rarely increases blood glucose levels, and it's a great way to balance carbohydrates out. If you have diabetes, you should try to cut out alcohol or talk to your doctor if you cannot. Alcohol can cause low blood sugar, which is called hypoglycemia. The effects can be very hard to predict with different people. Doctors will allow some people to have a drink or two with proper management, but it is best to avoid alcohol altogether. As you can see, it is possible to live a happy life even if you have diabetes. Living with diabetes is all what you make it, and you can make the best out of it. By following our tips, you will learn how to lead a happy life, thus making the best of your health limitations. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.